Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if it's your first time here, welcome. I'm so excited to talk about today's topic. It's one of my favorite meals of the day. And no, it's not dinner, it's breakfast. That's right, we're diving into the benefits and tips for eating a healthy breakfast. It's called the most important meal of the day for a reason, and trust me, your body will thank you for starting off on the right foot. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video because I've got some of my favorite breakfast recipes to share with you. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about why breakfast is so important. You see, after a long night of sleep, your body is running a little low on fuel. Think of it like your car needing gas in the morning. You gotta fuel up to kickstart your engine. Breakfast helps replenish your energy stores, specifically glucose, which is essential for your brain and muscles to function properly. You ever wake up feeling sluggish and foggy-headed? Skipping breakfast could be a big contributor to that. Not only does breakfast provide energy, but it also jumpstarts your metabolism and helps regulate blood sugar levels. That means fewer energy crashes throughout the day and better control over your appetite. Plus, studies have shown that people who eat breakfast regularly tend to make healthier food choices throughout the day. It's like setting a positive tone for the rest of your meals. So, to sum it up, breakfast is crucial for energy, metabolism, blood sugar control, and even making healthier choices. No more excuses for skipping this vital meal, okay? Ever notice how you just can't seem to focus when your stomach is rumbling? Well, there's a direct link between eating breakfast and improved concentration and performance. When you eat breakfast, you're providing your brain with the fuel it needs to operate at its best. Think about it. Your brain relies on a steady supply of glucose, which comes from the food you eat. Without breakfast, your brain is essentially running on fumes, leading to brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and reduced cognitive function. Studies have shown that breakfast eaters tend to perform better at school and work. They have sharper memory, better attention spans, and improved problem-solving skills. And it's not just about mental performance either. Eating a nutritious breakfast can also boost your physical performance. It provides your muscles with the energy they need to power through workouts and helps improve your overall endurance. So whether you're a student, a working professional, or an athlete, never underestimate the power of breakfast for optimal concentration and performance. Fuel your brain and body right, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now let's talk about weight management. Contrary to what some people may think, eating breakfast can actually help you maintain a healthy weight. You see, when you eat breakfast, you kickstart your metabolism and keep it elevated throughout the day. This means you're burning more calories even when you're at rest. Furthermore, breakfast helps regulate your hunger hormones, preventing those intense cravings and overeating later in the day. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, you're less likely to experience those energy dips that often lead to unhealthy snacking. Research has shown that breakfast eaters tend to have a lower body mass index, or BMI, and are less likely to be obese compared to breakfast skippers. It's all about making healthy choices and starting your day with a balanced meal. Remember, breakfast itself won't magically make you lose weight, but it's an essential piece of the puzzle when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. All right, let's dive into some breakfast essentials, starting with protein. Protein is a powerhouse nutrient that plays a crucial role in keeping you feeling full and satisfied, which is essential for controlling those mid-morning cravings. But it's not just about feeling full. Protein also helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those energy spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling sluggish. Think of it as providing sustained energy throughout the morning. Plus, protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, which is especially important after a long night of sleep. So how can you make sure you're getting enough protein in your breakfast? Well, there are plenty of delicious options. Eggs are a classic choice, packed with protein and essential nutrients. Greek yogurt is another great option, high in protein and low in calories. And don't forget about plant-based sources like chia seeds, nuts, and nut butters. Next up, let's talk about fiber. Fiber is another nutritional superstar that's often overlooked but plays a vital role in a healthy breakfast. Think of fiber as your digestive system's best friend. It adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation, but fiber does so much more than just keep things moving smoothly. It also helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating and those pesky cravings. And here's a bonus: fiber can help regulate your blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. So how can you sneak more fiber into your breakfast? Well, oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing down digestion and keeping you feeling satisfied. Berries are another fantastic option, packed with fiber and antioxidants. And don't forget about whole grain bread and cereals, which provide a good dose of fiber to start your day. Now I know what you're thinking. Dr. Mike, I'm always on the go. Who has time for a gourmet breakfast every morning? Trust me, I get it. That's why I've got some quick and easy breakfast options that even the busiest people can whip up. First up, overnight oats. Simply combine rolled oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits or nuts in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and voila! You've got a nutritious and delicious breakfast ready to grab and go in the morning. Another great option is smoothies. Just toss some fruits, veggies, yogurt, and a scoop of protein powder into a blender, and you've got a quick and easy breakfast that's packed with nutrients. And for those mornings when you're really pressed for time, a piece of fruit with a handful of nuts or a hard-boiled egg can be a surprisingly satisfying and nutritious breakfast. Remember, a healthy breakfast isn't just about cramming in as many nutrients as possible. It's about creating a balanced meal that will sustain your energy levels throughout the morning. So what does a balanced breakfast look like? It should include a good source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This combination helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and provides sustained energy. For example, a balanced breakfast could be a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts, a smoothie made with fruits, veggies and protein powder, or scrambled eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. The key is to listen to your body and choose foods that make you feel energized and ready to tackle your day. Let's talk about metabolism. Your metabolism is essentially the process by which your body converts food into energy. And guess what? Eating breakfast can give your metabolism a much-needed boost. When you break your overnight fast with a healthy breakfast, you signal to your body that it's time to start burning calories. This kickstarts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories throughout the day. Furthermore, certain foods can actually help increase your metabolic rate. For example, protein-rich foods require more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fats, which means you burn more calories simply by eating them. So, by including protein-rich foods in your breakfast, you're not only providing your body with essential nutrients, but also giving your metabolism an extra boost. All right, it's time for what you've all been waiting for. Healthy breakfast recipes. Get your notepad ready. First up, we've got overnight oats. In a mason jar or container, combine 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk or yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Mix well and place in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of nut butter. Next, let's make a smoothie. In a blender, combine 1 cup frozen fruit, 1/2 cup leafy greens, 1/2 cup milk or yogurt, 1 scoop protein powder, and 1/2 cup water or ice. Blend until smooth and creamy. Finally, let's make avocado toast with an egg. Toast a slice of whole grain bread. Meanwhile, cook an egg to your liking. Mash 1/2 an avocado onto the toast, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and top with the cooked egg. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of hydration, especially in the morning. After a long night of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, so it's crucial to replenish those fluids. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and improve your overall bodily functions. Plus, it can help wake you up and make you feel more alert. Aim to drink at least 8 ounces of water upon waking up. You can also opt for other hydrating beverages like herbal tea or lemon water, and remember, staying hydrated throughout the day is essential for maintaining good health. That's it for today's video on healthy breakfast tips. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start your day with a nutritious and delicious breakfast. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day for a reason. It fuels your body and mind, sets you up for success, and can even help you maintain a healthy weight. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can start their day off right too. See you next time.